In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Visa gift card on Dhgate. If you've tried paying on Dhgate with a standard Visa gift card, you may have noticed it doesn't always go through. That's usually because many gift cards don't support international online purchases or extra security checks. The simple solution is to turn that gift card balance into a payment card Dhgate does accept, then check out like you would with any regular Visa or MasterCard. Here's the idea. First, use your Visa gift card to purchase a prepaid debit card or a virtual Visa MasterCard that's fully verified and supports international online transactions. You can find these through trusted digital gift card marketplaces. Before you buy, review the card's details carefully. Make sure it can be used internationally, that it's enabled for online purchases, and that it supports 3D Secure. That extra security layer, sometimes called OTP verification, is what triggers a one-time code when you pay, and many cross-border merchants require it. A quick tip on costs and compatibility: check any purchase or maintenance fees, currency conversion charges, and regional restrictions before you convert your balance. Also, confirm the card's country of issuance if Dhgate or your seller has country-specific requirements. Choosing a widely accepted brand with international support will save you headaches at checkout. Once you have the new prepaid or virtual card, verify that 3D Secure is active. With many issuers, that means they'll send a one-time code by text or email during payment. If the issuer lets you add or confirm a billing address, do that now. Matching your billing address to what the card issuer has on file is important because Dhgate may decline a payment when the address doesn't line up. Now you're ready to pay on Dhgate. At checkout, enter the new card's number, expiration date, and security code. Just like any standard Visa or MasterCard, keep the card's registered name and billing address consistent with the issuer's records, and be ready to complete the one-time verification code if prompted. Make sure your card has enough available balance to cover the order total, including shipping, taxes, and any small temporary authorization hold the processor might place. If the payment doesn't go through, double-check the billing address, ensure the card is enabled for international online purchases, and confirm the 3D Secure verification isn't being blocked by your device or email filters. Once everything matches, your order should process smoothly. And that's it. Convert your gift card balance into a compatible prepaid or virtual card, confirm international and 3D Secure support, then pay on Dhgate like normal with matching billing details.